Tharmuk, a developer relations at Hoppscotch, and today I'm here to let you know about TestMu Conference. It is one of the world's largest virtual gathering where developers, testers, QA professionals, and community builders come from across the globe to share their thoughts upon various topics. And we are happy to announce that Hoppscotch is partnering with TestMu and will have a virtual booth at the conference. So if you're someone who works with APIs on a regular basis, then swing by our booth in order to know how Hoppscotch, as a self-hosted project and an open source platform, is helping developers out there to develop and test their APIs quickly and easily. Catch us from August 21st to August 23rd in the conference. And if you want to know more about the conference, then check out their website and register today. Thank you so much for listening, and we hope to meet you soon.